Welcome to the Physics Unit. I am Puan Parvin. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate you for being offered Tingkatan 6 in College Tingkatan 6 Sri Istana. Congratulations! There are two science packages offered here. The first one is the Physics Science package and the other one is the Biology Science package. I repeat, the first one is the Physics Science package and the other one is the Biology Science package. So it is your duty to select wisely which package you would choose. Here, in this video, I am going to explain what Physics Stpm is all about. So sit back and listen carefully. Let me introduce to you the Physics Unit. The head of the Science and Maths Department is Puan Zabeda binti Rahmat, followed by myself, Puan Parvin Kaur, as the head of the Physics Unit. The other two physics teachers are Cik Raja Maziatul Aida and Puan Fatima binti Jamil. I am sure you must be wondering what are the careers in physics if you were to select the Physics Science package. Well, to tell you the truth, the list is infinity. Plenty of wonderful careers. But here are some, such as the architect, flight engineer, radiographer, medical physicist, teacher, lecturer, geophysicist, aerospace engineer, oceanographer, and many more. Now, I am going to brief you on the written examination format and syllabus for physics. Listen carefully, yeah? Basically, there are 3 terms all in Stpm. The first term consists of 11 topics on mechanics and thermodynamics. The second term consists of 7 topics on electricity and magnetism. And finally, the third term consists of 7 topics on oscillation, waves, optics, and modern physics. Here are the topics in term 1. As you can see, you would be learning on physical quantities and units, kinematics, dynamics, works, energy and power, circular motion, gravitation, statics, deformation of solid, kinetics theory of gases, thermodynamics, and heat transfer. Here are the topics in term 2, electrostatics, capacitors, electric current, direct current circuits, magnetic fields, electromagnetic induction, and alternating current circuits. Some of the topics here are new to you, but don't worry. Okay, as you come in to Form 6 Physics, we, the physics team, will guide you. Here are the topics that you will be learning in term 3. Oscillations, wave motion, sound waves, geometrical optics, wave optics, quantum physics, and nuclear physics. The Physics Stpm exam paper consists of 3 sections. Section A has 15 objective questions, Section B has 2 structure questions, and Section C consists of 3 essay questions. Candidates are required to answer all questions in Section A and Section B. That means you have to answer all the 15 objective questions and 2 structure questions in Section A and Section B. However, candidates are only required to answer 2 out of 3 essay questions in Section C. Okay? Total exam duration is 1 hour and 30 minutes. That means the total time for you to finish the paper. Okay, it's 1 hour and 30 minutes. It is the same for each term. Okay, the format and the duration. Right? Now, allow me to brief you on the school-based practical. Okay? A total of 13 experiments okay, need to be conducted and completed in physics practical. First term has 5 experiments, second term has 5 experiments, and finally in third term, candidates need to complete 3 experiments and 1 project paper. Okay, all these are school-based. That means you do it in the college and will be fully evaluated and assessed by your subject teacher. Okay. All 13 experiments and 1 project, okay, will be assessed by your subject teacher. And I personally feel that if you decide to get into the physics package, then Puan Parin, will come over and explain to you all the candidates that have selected the physics science package, all about the experiments and the project. Okay, so by then you will have a clearer picture. I'll explain to you more deep and everything. Yeah, so right now let me just explain to you for you to understand roughly what the physics STPM is all about. Okay, here you can see the weightage of marks for the written exam and practical. Each written exam contributes 26.67% of your final STPM results. The practical exam contributes 20% of your final STPM results. Okay, so this means every term when you sit for the written exam, you will get the complete percentage is 26.6%. Finally, when you finish your term 3, okay, and your 13 experiments and 1 project that you have conducted throughout the 3 terms, the total will come up to 100%. Then you will have a summarized grade. Okay, your results will be summarized. That means it will take the average of each term. Term 1, term 2, term 3, and 13 experiments and 1 project. Okay. 960, if you can see up there, there's a code there. 960 is the code for physics subject, okay, in STPM, right? Okay, here, teacher has prepared some questions for you, okay, just for you to ponder, all right, okay, just to refresh your memory, okay, just look at the question, yeah. The first question is define linear motion, okay, so what do you understand about linear motion from the word linear? Okay, it is the acceleration is definitely constant. Since it's linear, it moves along a straight line, and the velocity changes at constant rate. Okay, velocity changes at constant rate. The key word here is changes. If it doesn't change, then you will not get constant acceleration. Okay. Question 2. A body experiences free fall if it falls under. A body experiences free fall if it falls under the action of gravity without air resistance. Under the action of gravity without air resistance. Okay, so without air resistance means free fall. Question 3. Define energy. I'm sure some of these questions you have read and you understand, you have learned in SPM, yeah? Defined has the capacity or ability to do work and is measured in joule. J, yeah, is the SI. Question 4. How to increase the resistance of a wire? Okay, how do you increase the resistance of a wire? So what are the factors? From here you can see that the formula for resistance is resistivity multiplied with length and divided with cross-sectional area. Okay, so definitely resistance is directly proportional to the length of the wire and inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area. Right, okay. Right. The physics unit is also active in outdoor participations. Students are guided to take part in competitions and external programs. This helps to boost their co-curricular marks. Last year, the physics unit took part in the Explore Race competition Peringkat Kebangsaan organized by UPM. Students also went to the Nuclear Science Emporium and laboratories. Besides that, physics students also took part in the Festival Pendidikan Pameran Sains Peringkat Kebangsaan in College Tingkatan 6 Shah Alam. You can see the photos here. Okay, last but not least, I would like you to think wisely, yeah? think wisely if physics science package is the one for you. It is important for you to have a good and strong foundation in physics and maths SPM level. Okay, your physics and maths SPM level, okay, you should have a strong and good foundation in it in order for you to be able to follow physics Stpm. To make it simple, at least a C in SPM physics and maths. Okay, you have to constantly do your homework and revision if you wish to be in physics. Physics involves calculation and principles which need a lot of focus. But once again, okay, I am sure if you are in physics, we will guide you through. Okay, all right. We teachers from the physics team will be there all the way through in this fantastic journey of Form 6 to guide you through. Okay, all right. So take care and wish you all the best. Keep calm and study physics. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Thank you.